Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how to create a table from the CSV file in Spark SQL. In the last video, the video is about the creation of a table from a CSV file. This video is also for the creation of the table with the help of a CSV file, but the approach is different. So here, what I am going to do, I am just creating a table with the help of a create table command, and the name of the table is this one, and I am defining 6 columns and its data types of this table, and how the table will going to create, how the table data will going to populate. It will going to populate with the help of this CSV file. And how I am going to create this table? By using the CSV. That means the table which I am going to create is based on the CSV file, and where the CSV file has been stored, the CSV file is stored here. This is the location of the CSV file. We are also passing header as well to true, means this CSV file has a header and the mode is override. Whenever I am going to create this table, whatever the data present in this CSV file, the data will be overridden. The data will be replaced the old value which is present in this table. And with the help of a select command, I will show you how the data looks like in this table which we have created here. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook here. Name it create table from CSV part 2. Let's connect this notebook with our cluster. Now here, let's create a table. How we are going to create a table? With the help of a create table command. If not exist, and we are going to give the name of the table. Let's put AP employee from CSV 2, and here I am defining the schema of the table, nothing but the columns. So what is the name of the column? AP ID, it is of int type. AP name, it is of string type. AP gender, it is of string type. AP salary, it is of int type. AP state, it is of string type. AP city, it is of string type. How we are going to create this table? We are going to create this table and populate the data of this table using CSV file. Now, where the CSV file is present, we need to provide that with the help of an options, and here in the path we need to give the path of the CSV file. So we have created one we have done one exercise. Now let's copy the CSV path from there only. So this is the CSV file. Let's copy the path from here only. This is the path of the CSV file which we are going to read and populate this table. Here we need to also provide, that is header, and we need to give value as header is equal to true. So this header, it should not be in the inverted comma, it is like this only, and this true would be in the inverted comma, true, and mode is override. Mode is override. Let's run it. So this table has been created successfully. We can verify here also. See, this AP employee from CSV file has been created. How this data is getting populated? The data is getting populated from this CSV. And the mode is override. So each and every time I will create this table, the same sets of data will be visible, because this old data will going to replace the data which is present in this CSV file. So let's see the data which is present in this table. Select start from. We can see it has 5 rows and 6 columns. Now create this table again. First of all, this table will not going to create, because we have put here if not exist. If this table is not exist, then the table will going to create. If the table is exist, nothing will going to happen. That's why if you just select it again, the same sets of records, it will be visible. So we have seen here, if you want to create a table without reading the CSV file and creating a data frame, we can create a table with the help of this using keywords. We need to provide which kind of a file we are going to read and populate the data. And here we are just saying the path of the CSV file which we are going to read. The data will be read from here and populate this table. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.